Guys, there it is, the Heybike. It's here. It's finally arrived. Just came in the door, and I'm about to unbox it. All right, here it is. This is the box that it arrived in, and as you can see on the outside, it says Heybike. Jostle around. Hopefully, it's in good shape. Let's see what we got here. Let's take a look. That's what it looks like there. Okay, I'm gonna take some things out so maybe you can see some stuff here. Okay, here's what I have here. Box of probably looks like hardware. Some foam here. Foam stuff like this. Over there. Chance to take a look there. Well, all right, there it is. There's the battery. And it looks like it's all really kind of together, guys. All I have to do is just, it's a little heavy. Heavier than I expected it to be. So I'm going to shut off right now, and then I'm going to start up. Yeah. This bike seems incredibly simple to assemble. Actually, I didn't do anything much except cut this stuff off here. It comes with a lot of padding on it, and some of this stuff just pops right off. Okay. And where is our seat? Our seat goes on back here. Our seat would go on there. There's a way to flip it forward. Just gonna lay that right on top of there. I think I'm gonna use this box. Let's put it, if she were here. But it is right there, and I'm telling you, that is the whole thing, fully charged and ready to go. I actually did cheat. I went and got on it this morning, and man, I was sailing really sailing. So I'm just telling you guys, this is it. This is what you need. I'm telling you, it works like a charm. That's my son in the background. Don't worry about him. He's shirtless. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Thanks for looking in on the bike, the Heybike.